Okay, today for Great Taste of Las Vegas, gonna make 9 type of salad. We have over here some bell pepper, canned bean, and corn, black bean. So 4 can, tomato, some lemon. Over here we also have some small mini cucumber as well, and a little bit of carrot. All of those gonna go into the wash. And then we'll save the rest. Mini bell pepper. We will just break about 2 celery like that, okay? So now we're gonna wash these and then chop it, okay? We just put in a little bit of vinegar, half cup, and salt, and then just wash it. Cut whatever you think that is not looking good looking. So everything is good. I also have some already washed mushroom. We will use it. We just take it out and use it in our salad, okay? We're going to make nice salad bowl so we get it ready so you can see the variety of it. And then we will use our romaine lettuce. That's the main ingredient, okay? So we use one of this. You just cut out the part that brown. To make our salad, well, this is the base for this. So we fill these up with that. 9 bowl of salad with these. I'm going to use corn and black bean. First is the garbanzo bean. Garbanzo bean. Chickpea, another word for chickpea. Then we do corn next. And then black bean. Okay, so let's fill them up with more goody stuff. Let's start with some carrot. Okay, and then we have some cabbage. We will cut some cabbage. And then we'll cut some mushroom, white mushroom as well. So we put on some of these here. So that's a different type. Next we do tomato. We'll just cut some tomato. We have cilantro and green onion. We're going to put them together on top. We must have cilantro and green onion on each of these bowls because they bring out the goodness in these salad, okay? Now we're going to chop some of these celery and put it in. We're going to have a 9 different kind of salad, so we don't always have to do them all. We didn't use a mini bell pepper, so we're going to use a mini bell pepper, okay? And we didn't use cucumber, so we're going to cut these and that's it. We're done for the day. A variety is the key for here. So now we have used all of our vegetables that we cut. We're going to use the bean. Where do we want the bean? They look so good already. We just don't have to put the same thing on everything. So we put black bean for this guy, corn for this one, that for that, corn for this, black bean for this for that. Same thing, bean for here, corn for this, chickpea for that, okay? Then what we do next is we're going to put some crab on some of these guys. They're going to have a little crab. This one, and this one maybe a little crab over here, and that's it then. And then now we're going to season it. Lemon, make sure no seed there. Always lemon. Some of them have soy sauce. Some of them going to have Worcestershire sauce. Not all of them the same. Shake them on top. And all of them have oil and vinegar. So vinegar first and oil. Some of them have pepper, some not, okay? So you can also put seasoning salt in there, which is they have a paprika. Let's put on one of these guys. Okay. From Great Taste of Las Vegas, hope you're eating healthy and be happy. So there your nice salad.